Hey guys, my name is Nick, and in today's video I would like to show you how to download Dropbox on your PC. So it's pretty easy, let's get started. First of all, go to the Dropbox website, just type in the search box Dropbox and click on it. You'll be taken to this page, and here you need to sign up for free if you haven't an account in this service, or just log in. So let's click on login and continue with Google. And now we are in Dropbox. So at the top right, you can find this icon. So install Dropbox on your computer. You need to click on it and you'll see this window, access files from anywhere. So you can easily download Dropbox on your PC or on your phone or tablet. So if you want to install it on your phone, just scan this QR code and install it. But in our case, we will install it on my computer. Click on the install button right here. And in your downloads, you'll see the new installer. Now let's run it and install it on my PC. Now we need to wait about 3 minutes. Finally, Dropbox is installed and now I can start using it. But firstly, you need to click on the start menu and find Dropbox right here. And you can easily create the shortcut. Just drag and drop Dropbox to your desktop. Oh, and welcome to Dropbox. Let's go. Keep basic plan, open Dropbox. And now in your tray you can find Dropbox. So this is how this application looks like. And here's the Dropbox folder. So hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.